In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Dropbox account password. If you want better security or you simply feel it's time to update your login details, Dropbox makes the process quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using the Dropbox website. Before you begin, make sure you know your current password since you'll need it to confirm the change. Start by opening Dropbox in your web browser. Once the site loads, log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Take a moment here to make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Dropbox profile in the same browser. After you're logged in, go to your account settings. To do that, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. A menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings. This is where Dropbox keeps the main account options, including privacy and security controls. Inside Settings, click the Security tab. This section contains the tools related to keeping your account protected. Scroll if needed until you find the password section. This is the area where you can update your existing password and improve the security of your account. Now, click Change Password. Dropbox will ask you to enter your current password first. This is a security step to confirm that it's really you making the change. After that, enter your new password. When creating a new password, try to choose something strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also a good idea not to reuse a password from another website or app. Once you've entered your current password and your new one, click Save. Dropbox will then update your password. From that point on, you'll need to use the new password the next time you sign in. As an extra tip, after changing your password, it's helpful to store it in a trusted password manager so you don't forget it. If you're updating your password because of a security concern, you may also want to review your active sessions and connected devices in the security section afterward. And that's it. That's how to change your Dropbox account password using the Dropbox website.